Subject physical education for class 11th, unit 9, psychology and sports. In this unit, today we will try to focus on the topic developmental characteristics at different stages of growth. Part 1. In this topic, we will try to understand at first growth and development. As you know, the growth and development is the process of life. Without the growth and development, the life is not possible, because from the starting of the child's birth, the growth has started and it has visible, and we can see through our eyes which growth is going on in a child. And then after that, the growth is just measured easily. And then important thing is that growth is the possible till the some certain age of the life. So these are the some important facts regarding the growth. And development is just going to start from the birth till the end of the life. The development can also be measured, but it can be measured through the test or through the we can say observation by the experienced person. And the development is also shows regarding your manner or etiquettes. And the development is just going on till the death. Due to the development, the person can learn many things due to the various situations of the life experiences. So this is the growth and development which we have to discuss under the topic developmental characteristics at different stages of growth. Now we have to try to understand regarding the term growth. Growth is related with the physical changes, and it can be viewed and measured. Growth referred to increase in size, weight, become larger and heavier. The term development indicates advancement and progressive changes, gaining maturity, etc. Thus, development consists of series of progressive processes that occur in the orderly manner. It can predicted and results maturity along with experience. Development are qualitative changes in an individual. Thus, the stages of development in human being are almost similar for all individuals. Thus, the stages of growth and developments we have to discuss in the next part of this topic. Thank you.